Hey people, the door fell off my dryer, so we're going to fix the hinge on it. It's a common fault on these dryers, the little aluminium hinge thing. These bits snap all the time because it's obviously heating, cooling down and whatnot. It's like £4 or £5 off eBay. Easy fix, couple of screws and we're done. Let's get to it. With this kit you also get the little plastic bush things. So, right, we're just going to undo these bolts. I think it's a 6mm, but I can't be bothered to go and get my sockets. Okay, so it's a little bit tight. You have to basically get a blade in there and prise this apart, and then you can take out those little lugs and replace them. Okay, so we've popped the new ones on. Get them the right way around. Okay, so we get these bolts back in here, which will squeeze that one back. See it all the way home. I think it's gone all the way in now anyway. We'll just tighten these back up. Now we have a repaired hinge, so we'll just go ahead and fix that on back onto the dryer now. Okay, there's the old hinge, and you can see how the little lugs snap off from there, and causing your door to come flying off in your hand, which came as a bit of a shock to the missus. But hey ho. £5 and we'll be sorted. Okay, so we're going to screw the new hinge in there. We'll do this one-handed. So yeah, roughly lined it up there. Get one of the screws in. Get the other screw in and we'll be good to go. And that's how you replace the door on your dryer. Job done. So that was replacing the hinge on my CREDA dryer. Subscribe just down here, little button, red button, subscribe, can't miss it. Hit that. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.